We are in Tunisia, a country full of colour, history and texture. And in today's video we're heading to Nabeul, a coastal town on the Cap Bon Peninsula, known for its vibrant markets, handmade pottery and deep-rooted traditions. We will be visiting the local market, eating some delicious Tunisian street foods and getting up close and personal with some of Nabeul's specialities, rosewater and pottery.
Smells so good.
To get there we took a short drive from Hammamet. It's really close, only about 20 or 30 minute drive along the coast. So today's adventure starts right in the local market.
Right, so although it is quite hot, we did fancy a coffee, so we picked one up. They're quite small, it's not an espresso, this is actually an Americano, and this cost 1 dinar 7, which is I think around 50 cents maybe. But yeah, so very cheap, very affordable, and yeah, very nice. Not Tunisian coffee, they didn't actually have some in there, but yeah, we were trying to get hold of some Tunisian coffee, but this will do the trick for today. So today we're in the town of Nabul, and we're down in the local market just having a walk through. It's very nice. It's a bit different to the Medinas that we've seen in Hammamet. This one is a little bit more open, a little bit more, it seems like it could be larger as well, but generally selling the same sort of stuff. But yeah, it's very nice just to walk through.
I'm on the lookout for a spice crusher. I've actually seen some in other markets that we've been to, so I'm guessing I'm going to get one here. So
right, so you know what you want?
I know what I want. Yes. I know what I want, yes. And I'm positive that I'm going to get it.
I'd say you'll get it here.
We're just looking at a couple of the prices here. It's so cheap. I can't get over it. I don't think I've ever seen a market as cheap. But there's bags there, just to give you an idea, and they're 20 dinar. So we'll put the kind of conversion here of what that is in euro.
I mean, we've said it before, when it comes to markets, they do sell everything, but the ones in Tunisia, they really sell everything. They sell everything and more. There's just so much variety. There's a lot of football jerseys and things like that, so if you're into that type of thing, you'll get some good deals. And then handbags, they do suitcases, they do handcrafted gifts, wallets, shoes, everything you can think of. So it's very interesting. Even if you're not buying something, you just want to walk around and have a little look. You'll see all the lovely cats. We've seen a cat there. Having a nice relaxing day at one of the stalls.
And what I love about that is they seem to kind of be really nice to the animals. So there's a lot of stray cats over here, but they're kind of just chilling on people's stalls, and people aren't like running them away or anything like that. And supposedly we've heard that they feed them as well, do you know, that kind of way. We have seen some in kind of bad nick as well, but like this little guy over here chilling on the shoes, he looks like he's nice and cozy and content. Yeah, what I love about the markets as well is like you're kind of mixing in and you're getting a real feel of what the local life is like here in Tunisia. And as we mentioned, we visited markets before. So far, after being in Tunisia for like a couple of days, the people, I have to say, are very friendly, very welcoming. They seem really happy to have tourists here. But I like just kind of strolling around and just looking. There's a lot of locals here. Obviously, locals are working here. Just a really nice atmosphere. Dinar. I got my spice crusher. €6. I'm so happy. It's actually good quality as well.
It is, yeah.
Yeah, isn't it?
It's a business. You would not believe how long we've been looking for something so basic and so simple, but today's the day we got it.
Yay! Do you know what it's actually for? To make our masala chai at home. Lovely. Thank you.
Thank you.
Put in? Yes.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you.
Bye bye. Now I'm a happy girl.
So yeah, I think the good thing I suppose about doing your fair bit of travelling is you do get good at haggling. That was originally going to be 45 dinar, so we got it down to 20. So happy days. So we've come down to another part of the market here in Nabul, and it's going to be the vegetable market. So we're just on the outside of it there, so there is a bit of some funky smells coming out of there, but it'll be interesting to go in and have a little look and see what they have. I imagine a lot of spices and things like that. That's been mainly in the food sections of the markets. There's been like a lot of spices and stuff, hasn't it? And
I'm obsessed with the spices. We probably will have to pick up some now that we have our spice publisher, but they smell unreal, and they're always the best spices that you get away in places like this, but you can just smell them. I can actually smell fish as well.
Yeah, I think there's a fish section of the market as well, yeah.
But this would be nice to just walk around, because I'm guessing you'll get the purest kind of fresh veg and spices here.
Oh, can I? It's okay? Wow. Thank you. So we've now come into the
Very, very local.
yeah, we've come into the street food section of the market. So this is where a lot of people are ordering their hot food or whatever, and having their meals. So very, very interesting. It's very local.
Sensory overload.
Hello. Hi. Oh, so it looks like there's some like hot breads and stuff like that here, and then some spices. So I think a lot of the food in Tunisia is like kefta and sandwiches. And oh, this is hello. Is this? Can I see? It's okay to film?
Salad Mechouia.
Ah, okay.
Salad Pottery. Salad Mechouia.
Oh, and you have chicken. And the bread is done. Oh, very nice. Very nice. Thank you. Speak English, I do, yes. No Francais, sorry. Thank you very much. You okay?
What is that, like a bread or
That's
something?
chicken, and then they're doing the bread in the oven there, or the
so
fire.
So the chicken goes on the bread then?
Yeah.
This is a large spice cushion in comparison to the one that we bought.
This is our one here. This is... No Francais. Sorry. Oh, you're gonna have a little go?
This smells, oh my gosh, amazing. Look at that. It's like a kind of paste sauces or something that goes maybe on the breads.
Tomatoes, I see, okay.
Tomato sauce.
You're gonna have to eat this and buy this.
Powder, oh.
Huile d'olive.
Okay. Olive oil. Whoa. Olives.
Olives. I don't like olives.
Neither do I. Okay.
Oh my god.
Okay.
So we have a salad mechouia, which is like, I hope I'm saying it right, but it's a Tunisian salad. And the kind girl behind us just gave us this for free to try. So it comes with this kind of bread. So yeah, we're gonna have a little taste test.
Lovely.
Yeah, I didn't think it was going to be as nice from here because I don't like olives or anything like that, but that is absolutely gorgeous. I thought it was going to be spicier. It's not actually that spicy at all.
This right here is Salad Mechouia, a traditional Tunisian salad made from grilled peppers, tomatoes, onions and garlic, all finely chopped and mixed with olive oil. It's a staple in Tunisian cuisine, especially for a starter or a side dish.
That is really nice.
After the hustle and bustle of the market, we headed to Dar Gayed, a charming boutique hotel nearby. It's known for its peaceful courtyards and traditional Tunisian architecture. The perfect spot to relax and enjoy a slow lunch.
We met with the owner, who told us all about the history of this guest house. It belonged to her grandparents and has been passed down through the generations. After a warm welcome, we finally sat down for lunch. The food started arriving and one dish caught my attention: brick. It was my first time trying it And it's basically a crispy, deep fried pastry, usually filled with egg, tuna or meat. Really delicious.
After lunch we were treated to some beautiful Tunisian coffee, served with macroud, a delicious Tunisian pastry. So far on this trip to Tunisia, we have had a lot of them.
Well, that was an absolute feast. The food was unbelievable and the hospitality here is top notch.
This is actually a boutique hotel, so you can actually stay here as well, and we just had some look around the premises. It's absolutely beautiful here, but yeah, we'll leave a link in the video description if you want to come and stay here, which we're not getting the opportunity to stay here, but if the lunch was anything to go by, I'd say you'd have a really good stay here.
And when we come back to Tunisia, which we most definitely will, we'll book here.
Our next two stops was all about Nabul's local specialities, rosewater and pottery.
First we visited a local rosewater distillery where they still make it the traditional way. Watching the distillation process up close was fascinating, using fresh rose petals and copper stills, just like they done here for generations.
Okay. Process traditionnel, je garde les terroirs nabéliens.
Les terroirs?
Le savoir-faire, le produit du terroir nabélien.
Okay.
Seulement nabélien.
So when she started this business, she kept in mind that the traditional way, it's not a factory, it's a traditional way to prepare the zahara. It's called zahara.
Rosewater here isn't just a fragrance, it's actually part of their culture, used in everything from food to skincare.
Yeah.
Ah. Thank you.
Smells so good.
Okay. Yeah.
So we got some little gifts to bring home for ourselves, from us to us. But yeah, we got some coffee and there's some orange water inside this. So we actually had it for lunch. We've tried this already, it's really nice. So we thought we'd bring home a bag because we do love coffee. And then we also got a rose water and an orange water. So the rose water can be used for your skin on your face, and then the orange water, I'm not really too much about it, but they put it on our hands on the way in and it smells amazing. I would literally use it as a perfume.
Plus my hands look younger.
And smell amazing.
Next we stopped by a local pottery shop. Nabeul is famous for its ceramics and it's very easy to see why.
So we've stumbled into this like pottery shop and the stuff is unbelievable. You can probably see it all around me here, but we came downstairs and you can actually see them, how they make it, and you can have a go at it yourself as well if you like. But yeah, there's so much lovely things. We want to buy everything here. I just don't know how we get it home without a break. And
it's funny when you're watching them make it, it actually looks a lot easier than it is, because I think Samantha tried it before. It's so tricky and they make it look very easy, but it's really not. It's very, very difficult.
Yeah, they make it look so easy. I tried it in India and I was like, yeah, I can do it, and then I got up and I was like, oh my god, disaster.
Wah, wah.
Yes, but like some of the things, they have little plaques and they're like your star sign. They're like sort of tiled looking pictures. They're unreal, I have to say.
But look at the size of and this is just the downstairs. There's an upstairs as well that's even bigger. There must be hundreds of thousands of pieces that you can buy here, and they're all amazing designs, full of colour, and yeah, would definitely brighten up a home.
They're handmade and hand painted. We're actually watching them over there as well, and the detail that they're painting on these beautiful ornaments, just unbelievable. So talented.
يا معلم
انا قلت له بدنا نعمل ديكور عم يجي فيها بتدي ديمونستراسيون مالكم انتم
يعطيك الصحة يا معلم.
كمان ام بي باس
اسمع ممكن يصوروا هم زي ما يحطوا في بلاستيك.
Of course, we couldn't live without picking up something. So I got this little one, has my star sign, and then we got this little one, which has a lovely sun, which I thought was really pretty. And they're only like 10 dinar each.
After a long day exploring Nabul, it was back to our hotel in Hammamet for a few beers and some more entertainment. We will do a separate video about the hotels that we stayed at during our Tunisia trip, so if you are thinking of visiting Tunisia, then I'm sure you'll find that helpful.
So thanks so much for watching this video. If you liked the video, please leave a thumbs up just to support our channel. If you have any questions on Tunisia, please let us know in the comments, we'd be happy to answer them. If you are new around here, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, so we will have more videos coming from Tunisia, so we're excited to share them. So once again, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.